Good morning, children. Today we will study fourth chapter of English 2, that is Gurmohar. Name is Partho the Park Keeper. Lesson 4, Partho the Park Keeper. So children, I want you all to take out the book and open page number 24. So children, this is a humorous story. It's a funny story teaching the children about the maintenance of a park. Okay, how can you keep the park clean? So in this, the main character is a man whose name is Partho, P-A-R-T-H-O, Partho. So Partho is the main character and he loves his job. And what is his job? His job is to maintain the park, means to clean the park and to make it look good for the general public. And he has his team of 5 men, and his team means the people who work together. So his team is also very good. They all love their job and they clean the park. They they repair the broken swings or merry-go-round, anything which is broken. They repair it. They fix it, and also they paint everything, the benches and all, the swings and all, they do everything to make the park look neat and beautiful. So this is the story about. So I will begin the story. I will read the lines and then I will explain you. Partho was a park keeper. So children, what is a park keeper? One who keeps the park neat and clean. One who looks after the maintenance of the park, that is known as park keeper. So who was a park keeper? Partho was a park keeper. He was a person who used to take care of the park. So he worked with 5 other people. As I told you, Partho had a team of 5 people. So they all used to work together. He and his team kept the park clean. Partho loved his job. So Partho and his team means the people who work together. Okay, so they all they work together and they all used to love their job. They used to do their job very sincerely. Once every year the park was closed for cleaning, and once every year they used to keep the park closed so that they can do all the cleaning of the park, and whatever is broken they can repair it. So for that they need to close the park, because if the general people will come, then they will not be able to do their work properly. So they used to close the park once every year. No one could use the park then. This year the park was closed on a weekend. So when the park was closed, once in a year, then that time general people could not come in the park. And this year means the time about which the story is written, that year the park was closed on weekend. Weekend means end of the week, that is Saturday and Sunday. So it was Saturday and Sunday when they decided to keep the park closed so that they can do the repairing thing or cleanliness and all, and painting and all, they can do it. Partho and his team were very busy for 2 days. So 2 days, that is Saturday and Sunday, they were very busy. Busy in what? Busy in cleaning the park. They went around the park doing many things. So they all were cleaning it, and lot of things is there, removing the unwanted grasses, then trimming the unwanted grasses. So many things are there. So they were busy in doing many things. On Saturday they picked up the litter and put it in a large bags. So Saturday, what did they do? They picked up the litter. Litter means rubbish things, the waste things that people don't require. They throw here and there now, which is not good. Okay, so you should also not throw if you eat chips and the wrapper, you should not throw it like that. You should always throw it in the dustbin. And if dustbin is not there, then what will you do? You will keep it in your bag, and wherever you will find the dustbin, you will do. So remember children, do not throw the waste, litter or the things which you do not want, do not throw it here and there. Wherever you go, in the park, on the beach, if you are moving in a car and simply throwing it out, that is also not good. So on Saturday, what did these people do? They picked up the litter, means the waste things, and they put it in a large bags. And they also said, see, people are saying also, people should throw rubbish only in the bins. So these rubbish things which is not required, you should not throw here and there. Where should the people throw them? They should throw them in the bins, said Partho. His team nodded. His team also supported him. Nodded means moving the head like this. When you say yes, na, so you are moving your hand like this. His team also nodded, said yes, they should not throw the things here and there. Now come to page number 25. They weeded the flower beds and planted new seeds. So weeded means what? Weeded means that they removed the plants which were unwanted. Means that is wild grasses are there. So they removed it. The flower beds and planted new seeds, and also they planted new seeds so that new plants may come out. They trimmed the grass. Trimming means removing the top of the plant. So they means top part they remove it so that plant grow in a proper way. They trimmed the grass. They scrubbed the swings. Scrubbed means when you wipe something, when you clean something, you means move the cloth na very means hard way you rub it, that is scrubbing. So they scrubbed the swings, seesaws and slides. They fixed the broken merry-go-round. Merry-go-round, as you can see in the picture also, see in page number 24, merry-go-round is broken, no, red color merry-go-round is there with yellow handle, so it is broken. So fixed it means repair it. They made it. Okay, it was broken, so they fixed it. The broken merry-go-round. The children will be so happy. Partho smiled, and Partho was feeling very happy that we are repairing this merry-go-round, and the children will see that merry-go-round has now been repaired and they can use it now. So they will be very happy. On Sunday, so this was the work they did on Saturday, cleaning and all, and repairing merry-go-round. On Sunday, they painted all the benches in the park. On Sunday, what did they do? They painted all the benches. Partho told his team, we must put up notices that say wet paint next to the benches. And Partho also told this team people that it takes time to dry up the paint. Now, when the paint is wet, it takes time to dry up. So he told his team people that we can put one notice. Notice, you all know now, when we want to tell something important, we write it on a piece of paper or in a cardboard and we place it somewhere. So that is notice, when you want something important to tell other people. So he wanted that the wet paint notice should be placed just next to the benches. Why? Because they did not want people to sit on the benches and get paint on their clothes. If they will sit there, all the back clothes will get painted by that wet paint. So they did not want people to spoil their clothes. So they wanted to put one notice written wet paint on that notice. By evening, the work was finally done. Everyone was tired, so they sat on a bench and enjoyed tea and snacks. So this all happened, painting and all, it took whole day, and by the evening they were very tired. Obviously they will get tired when they will work for the whole day, so they thought of taking a break, and for relaxing they had tea and snacks. Snacks like biscuits, fruits, anything that you take in between lunch or breakfast or dinner, that is snacks. So they were having this tea and snack, also talking to each other, enjoying each other's company. They looked around and felt happy. The park looked new. So they were, while talking, they were looking around in the park, and they were feeling very happy that the park is now looking so neat and clean and so beautiful, because they have cleaned all the litter, they have means trimmed the unwanted grass and all, and they have planted new seeds, and they have painted, they have repaired the broken swings and merry-go-rounds, and they have painted everything. So everything was looking very beautiful. So they were feeling very happy to see their park. But when they stood up, their backs were covered in paint. But what happened next? As they stood up, what did they see? All the bags were covered with paint. You can see in the picture, no? Green color paint is there on the clothes. So their clothes had green stripes of wet paint. They forgot that the paint was still wet. It was not dried. Oh no, said Partho. We should have put up the wet paint notices before we sat down. So what did Partho say? He said that this is so foolish of us. Means everyone laughed. Why they laughed? Because they would have felt foolish, because they wanted to warn other people. They wanted to tell other people about the wet paint, and they themselves had sat on the benches, and they all ruined, they all spoiled their clothes. So this is kind of funny things that they wanted to tell others only, and they themselves did the mistake. So children, this is a story, and it tells us about the maintenance of park and how we should keep the park clean. We should not throw the litter here and there, and we should follow the Swachhata Abhiyan, isn't it? So yes, and Partho also, it tells that Partho is a good team leader, and it also teaches us how a park is maintained. So I hope you have understood, and the word meanings which is given, children, here. So this word meanings you have to learn from the book. You will read the chapter and you will learn the word meaning from the book, and question answers will be given in your homework. You can see the attachment, and next video we will see the book exercises. Thank you.